In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage projects on Zoho projects. To begin, you will create a new project. Look to the left sidebar and click the Projects tab. This is the main area where all of your projects live, so it is a good place to return to anytime you need to switch work. In the upper right corner, select New Project. This opens the project setup screen where you define the basic structure for everything you will track. Now enter your project title. Choose a title that is specific and easy for your team to recognize, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. Next, set your start date and end date. These dates help keep timelines clear, and they also make it easier to plan task deadlines and workload. After that, select a project layout. Layouts can shape which fields and views you see, so pick the one that best matches how you plan to organize the work. Before you finish, choose your privacy setting. Select Private if you only want invited members to access the project. Choose Public if you want all portal users to be able to view it. A good tip is to keep early or sensitive work private, then switch to public only if wider visibility is helpful. Once you have confirmed those details, your project is ready. Next, you will add a task. Go back to the Projects tab in the left sidebar and select the project you just created, or any project you want to manage. Along the top navigation bar inside the project, click the Tasks tab. This is where day-to-day work is created and tracked. In the top right, click Add Task. Type a clear task name that describes the action and outcome, so it is easy to understand at a glance. Then assign the task by clicking Owner on the task row and selecting a team member. Assigning an owner early prevents confusion and keeps accountability clear. Finally, set your deadline by clicking the Start and Due Date field. Choose dates that match your overall project timeline, and keep due dates realistic, so tasks do not become overdue unnecessarily. With the name, owner, and dates in place, your task is ready to be worked on and tracked. That covers everything you need to know.